Okay guys, now we are going to go on, and this time we are going to see how to use can in the past tense, because it is important to use can in the past tense. So when you use can in the past tense, can is converted into could, right? Can will be converted into could, right? It's the same could. In Punjabi we say khod. Yeah, could. So this is going to be could, right? Now, for example, now I'm going to talk about my childhood, and I would say, when I was small, I could fly the kites. When I was small, I could fly the kites. Means जब मैं छोटा था, मैं पतंगे उड़ा सकता था. Past ability, something you could do in the past, right? For example, someone can say, when I was in Arab country, I could speak Arabic. Right? When I was in UAE, I could speak Arabic. Means in the past and not now. Right? Something like that. Even I can say, when I was small, I could ride the bicycle. When I was small, I could ride the bicycle. When I was a school student, I could cheat my friends easily. When I was at college, I could ride the bike. When I was at college, I could ride the bike. In simple words, it means जब मैं college में था, मैं bike चला सकता था. Past ability. So first thing is, you will give the reference of past tense, and then you will talk about it. For example, last year when I was in Kashmir, I could go to Indian border. Right? Or last year when I was in Kashmir, I could go for hiking. Right? पिछले साल जब मैं कश्मीर में था, मैं hiking पे जा सकता था. Right? Something like that. So now I'll come to you one by one, and you got to make 3 to 4 sentences, and you can use any past tense, like any past time. Last year, when I was child, when I was in, and all that. Okay? Yeah. So now you will talk about it. When I was and I could.
When I was in the school, I could play my friends in the class.
Okay, when I was at school, I could play with my friends in the class. Very good.
When I was in Saudi Arabia, I could speak in Arabic.
Okay, I could speak Arabic, not in Arabic. When I was in Saudi Arabia, I could speak Arabic. Very good.
When I could, when I was in Jeddah, I could ride a jet ski.
Okay, that's right. One more.
When I was a kid, I could play in the park with the kids.
All right, that's good. Next one, please. When I was and I could. So,
I was,
when I was,
then I was, after 3 years, before 3 years,
when I was 3 years old,
3 years old,
I could
bike a cycle.
I could
Bike a,
ride the bike.
ride a cycle.
I could ride the bicycle. Bicycle.
Ride a bicycle.
Yeah, only cycle is wrong. Bicycle or
Bicycle.
bike. You can use the word bike. Okay, and
I was,
when I was,
I was, I was a student.
when I was a
Then
student.
I was a student.
Okay, no problem. Just come up with some. आप लोग कोई notebook वगैरह कुछ नहीं है. Just try to write down few things. That will be better. Next one, please.
When I was student, I am.
I could.
I could read very good. I could read English
Yeah, when I was a student, I could read English very well.
very well.
Like that. Good.
Very well.
And
When I was 19, I could sell goods.
all right, you could get married also at that time. Okay. Yeah, when you were 19. And
When I was when I was in Dubai, I could establish. I could
establish my own business.
my own business.
Okay, good. That's very good. Just try to speak fluently and clearly and all that. Next one, please. Yeah, bring the mic closer here. That's good.
When I was a child, I could play a cricket.
Not a cricket. Cricket is uncountable noun. When I was a child, I could play cricket.
I could play cricket. Since last year, I could work on graphic designing.
Don't use last year because we are simply saying use of could. So you can say last year I could learn graphic designing.
Last year, I could work on graphic designing at freelancing
Okay,
websites.
as a freelancer.
Yes.
And
When I was a child, I play with my friends.
I
could play with my
friends. All right, another one.
Um, when I was a child, I ride bicycle.
I could ride-
I could ride I could
the
ride bicycle.
modern word for bicycle is bike.
Okay.
Bike is used for both bicycle and motorbike. So you can use the word bike.
Okay.
Okay, yeah, when I was a child, I could ride the
I
bike.
could ride the bike.
Good. Next one, please.
When I was in Turkey, I could do snorkeling.
Good.
And when I was in KPK, I could learn Pashto. And when I was in UAE, I could learn Arabic.
Okay, any more sentences, different ideas?
Yes, they can
on.
some more. Likewise, when I was in Germany, I could attend few more seminars.
Okay, that's right. Good job. Okay, here.